let's go into the system.io to get our website registered. Okay, so the registration process is quite very seamless. Click on start for free here and then enter your email. As soon as you enter your email, a link will be sent into that email to complete the registration. And once you are done, okay, so on your proper registration, it will bring you to this interface, right? Yours will be quite empty. What you are seeing here, the live update messages I got from my adverts. Okay, so to move on, click on sites at the top part of the website and then click on sales funnel. All right, of course, this particular place will be empty for you. All right, so you click on create, and then enter the name of maybe your business name. Yeah, you should enter that here. Enter your business name here, and then click on sell. Okay, click on sell, then move downwards to click your currency, Nigerian Naira, and then click. Of course, you have to add a name. All right, so as soon as you are done with the name, click on sales and your currency, then you click save. Okay, as soon as you do that, it will bring you here. So you see this comprehensive ad sponsorship class saved. Okay, so the next thing to do is you click on the funnel you have just created. You click on this and then it brings you here. So this is where you do your setup. Okay, so what to do here is, of course, for you, this place will also be just 3. You won't have this. All right, so you click on add step. That is the next thing to do. Click on add step. Then you add the name of maybe your product. Yeah, for instance, comprehensive, then sales. Click on sales, then you click save. Right now, when you click save, it will bring several templates for you. Then you can choose anyone that you want. You can choose any template that you want, and as soon as you pick a template that you want, it will bring you to this particular interface where we are right now. It's going to bring you to this particular interface, and once you are done with that, you click edit. Okay, you click edit. All right, so it will bring you then. Okay, on getting to the website, so you are going to have their setup, so you have to edit it to suit your own need. All right, so and the process of editing is quite the same. All right, so what to do is, first let's look at how to edit the text. Okay, you can click anywhere to edit text, right? You can click anywhere. So for instance, I have text here. I can click on it. I can double click it. Okay, now when you double click it, or when you click on any box or any part, you are going to see panels beside here, surfacing for you to make some editing. Okay, so let me click this now. I have panels here to adjust the font size. You see that adjusting the font size. Okay, I could adjust the height, which means the space between the text. Okay, these are panels for adjusting your text. Okay, and then you could do quite a lot of things. So one thing about the website is that you can't make mistake. That is just basically it. You can't make mistake. All right, so if maybe you do something and you don't like it, just come to this back arrow and click it. Okay, so it will correct any error you may have made. You may have made. Okay, it will correct it. So that is for text. All right. When you click, you can also highlight by Ctrl A, and then adjust the color. Use this to when you highlight. Of course, this panel will come up, so you can play around with it. Okay, this is where to adjust your color from this color, and then adjust the color any way you want. Maybe so. Basically, so you see that I don't like this. Of course, I'll have to click the back arrow to take it back to my previous settings. You see that? Take it back. This is my previous settings. All right, so that's for text. Now, but you can also add videos to your website. You can add images to your website. Now, to add images to your website, now, if the template you chose has video on it already, you can, just like this one, like that I edited, has video on it already. Just click on the video. Remember, you want to put your own video to it. Just click on the video side, okay, and then come to the left hand side. The left hand side is always the part where you control any panel that you chose. So you come to the left hand side here. Of course, for every video you will be using, you have to upload it on YouTube first. Then you copy the URL from the YouTube and paste it here. All right. As soon as you paste it here, the video will appear. Okay. The video will appear. And the same thing goes for images, right? Like this is also an image I place here. You click on it, and then you can either upload a URL, maybe is a picture or a flyer you've uploaded on your Facebook or on your YouTube before. You can just copy it and paste here, or you can just go to upload it directly from your laptop or from your phone. So click on this up arrow here to give you the option to insert, okay, to either drag and place or you upload. So as soon as you do that, the image will appear. Now, but you can actually introduce any panel at all that you want. Any panel at all that you want to use. Maybe you want to add a video panel and the video is not available. Okay, just come to the left panel here, but make sure you are not clicking on anything, because if you click anything, what you have in the left panel is they will be meant to adjust whatever you clicked. Okay, so make sure you are not clicking anything. All right, so if you have clicked something, just click it again. Okay, so it will bring you back. Okay, so now we can move down. If I want to put in text, I can drag this and bring it anywhere to put text. Okay, drag it and release it. So I have text here, I can work with it, right? Okay, so that is how to use text, bring it. If you don't want it again, you can either delete it here or you go back. Let me just delete it. Okay, so you can delete anything you don't want. Those are for, you can play with quite anything here at all and see what they work for, every of this panel, right? We can also use forms. Can bring in forms. Let's say I want to collect the emails of people, their names, and all of that within my website. I can use these forms to do that. I can also actually add additional information that I want to get. So by clicking it, okay, you can see other information that I can actually add up to this. So if I say add new fields, okay, for instance, you see there's no phone number here. If I toggle on the phone number, then phone number will appear. Or maybe I want to know the country where the person is contacting me from. You see it will appear like that. You see you have quite a number of them, tax number and so on. So that is how to add forms. Okay, but I don't need this, so I'm going to delete it from my website. Okay, so that is that. Then quite a number of things. Yeah, this is for video and images. Let's say you want to introduce video or image to any part of your website. You can just drag it. Maybe even if it is audio, you just have an audio, you set something and you just want to introduce it to your website. The same thing applies. Okay, just drag, place it anywhere you want, and then impute the URL. Especially for video, you have to impute the URL. Okay, so for instance, now this is an audio. I just placed the panel, okay, but there's no audio in it. To make sure this display an audio, just click on it. All right, so a panel appears. Then you must of course have uploaded your audio somewhere, and then upload your audio here, and of course it will play anytime you visit your website or someone else visits it. Okay, so I don't need this. I'm going to delete it. So the same goes for video as well. The video panel, drag it, take it down anywhere you want. Can drag it to anywhere you want in your website, okay, and place it anywhere of your wish. So for instance, this is a video I just dragged now, okay, and then to place in a video, of course, like I said earlier, click on it. You see a URL here. The video you want to insert, make sure it is uploaded on YouTube, and then copy paste the URL. And if you want the video to be in vertical form, okay, so you change it from 16 to 9 frame to 9 to 6 frame, and it will change it to a vertical video format. Okay, all right, so at the moment, that is quite everything you need to know about. It's quite very simple, and like I said earlier, you can play around, and if you make any error, just click on this back arrow. If you make any error at all, click on that back arrow. Well, wow, I don't want this in my website, so I have to delete it. Okay, so you can also delete. To delete, okay, just click on whatever you want to delete. An orange color stuff panel will appear. Click on delete and just say okay. Okay, so that is basically what to do to edit the website. Very straightforward to do. And when you are done, you click on save. Okay, you click on save. Now the moment you save, the URL link you clicked can be accessed, right? And any edit that you made on this website, of course, it will be affected on that particular URL link. And then the next thing, you click exit. Okay, you click exit. It will bring you back to where we were before. Okay, and of course, if you want to go back to editing again, just click on edit page. Okay, edit page. You can always change the design or the design of your website entirely, the layout, everything, by changing templates. But what happens is that when you change template, every setting you have done on that particular website will be lost. All change will be lost. Okay, so make sure you know exactly what you are doing. If you want to overhaul the website totally, that's when you should do that. Maybe you just don't want everything about that website. That's when you should do this. But if not, don't do that. And this portion is going to be empty. All right, it's going to be empty, and that is the portion that completes your URL. Okay, so you put in whatever name or whatever words that you will want to complete your URL. Okay, this will complete your URL. So whatever name, for me, my business name, of course, is Blue Whales, and then adverts. Okay, so if I'm using another funnel, maybe I'm creating another funnel. If it's a product, I can use that particular product. Okay, yeah. Okay, so and when you are done, your URL for this particular website is ready. So you can actually copy it using this particular provision here. You can copy it. Just click on it. As soon as you click on it, it is copied. So you can save that URL somewhere for future use to send to people. Okay, so that is about that for creating a website, and of course to be used for your landing page. Okay, so right now we move to the next topic.